Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we just hit 70 subscribers, so I am actually going to be giving away my pink long wrist. I got everybody on this, so let me just apply the wheel changes. And now picking winners. Okay, so let's pick the winner. Okay. Let's see who it lands on, guys. Candy Kitty 127. Candy Kitty 127. Who is that? I don't know who it is. I think it's her. Put that on. Put that on you one. This spike on my list. So congratulations, Candy Kitty. You just won a pink long wrist. If I could trade it to you, cause okay, there you go. Congrats. So congratulations, Candy Kitty, again. And thank you all for 70 subscribers. Next, I will be giving away 80 subscribers, so yeah. Wow. As someone unsubscribed. I forgot what I was saying because my grandma called me. But yeah. Oh, we went down one. Well, we went down one, so oh well. But yeah. That was all for the giveaway. Next one is at 80 subscribers. Oh my gosh. Next give is at 86. Okay, well, I just wanted to record that giveaway, so I hope y'all enjoy this video, even though it was like really just a plain giveaway. But I will be making a video maybe later today, but yeah. Purple long wrist. I'll be giving away my purple long wrist, so make sure y'all stay tuned, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!